Do you have a bucket list or a bucket shot? I do, yeah. Actually, well, it's not one single photo. It's multiple. And I'm slowly inching and checking off all of those particular shots that I want to get. And that's the purpose of today's video. Yeah? What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. So, getting back to this bucket idea, or bucket shot, bucket list of photos idea that I think originated from Peter McKinnon. So I kind of stole it from him. So thank you, Peter. I have a whole bunch of shots that I want to get. And what better time than now to actually create your bucket list of photographs that you want to get. This was one of them. I got it in winter. That old farmhouse and that tree singled out. That's been on my bucket list, bucket shot list, bucket shot for quite a while now. So yeah. So, with it being springtime and it's getting warmer out, the snow is melting, but it still doesn't look pretty good. It doesn't look good for landscapes right now. The grass is all brown and dingy. There's no leaves on the trees. I think this is the best time to create your bucket list, bucket shot list, if you will. So with that being said, I have a couple pointers to give you, and let's get it. So this is not really the opportune time to be taking landscape photos. Everything is dead. Everything just kind of looks gross. Yes, you can probably do woodland or forestry photos during the day, or even at night. You can do some astrophotography, but it's not really pleasing right now. It just kind of looks gross, dead. Which brings me to the point of creating your bucket shot list, or your bucket photo list. What you can do is maybe, depending on where you live and if what COVID restrictions you have in your province or your state or wherever you may be, is maybe do a quick Google search or Google Earth search. Like I said in my previous video, the Shoot Local video that I did, I'll link it up here somewhere. Go onto Google Earth, and just draw a circle around where you live. Are there any major landmarks, epic landscapes that you know of within a 2 to 5 hour radius from your house? If yes, start adding those to your bucket shot list. And then once COVID restrictions start to ease and say you're able to travel interprovincially or internationally, hopefully one of these days, start picking off other major landmarks or epic landscapes that you want to get. I mean, Canada is pretty big and it has a bunch of epic landscape photo opportunities. So I'm quite lucky that I do live here in Canada and I do have access to all of these landscapes at my disposal. It just got to be the right time, right place. So yeah, I'm gonna give you some homework right now. After this video is done, go to Google Earth, pinpoint your location, for example, Calgary. Okay, what's in a 2 to 5 hour radius around Calgary? Well, there's Banff, there's Jasper, there's Canmore, there's Airdrie, there's Drumheller. There's a whole bunch of places in and around Calgary itself that you can go and you can start picking off. Okay, well, you want to go to Horseshoe Canyon in Drumheller, or you want to go to the Fairmont in Lake Louise, Banff, and Jasper. Add those to your list. And then come summer, once everything is not like that, start picking those off. Actually commit and actually execute those photos. It's as simple as that. So, I don't know. That's just kind of food for thought. I just kind of had an idea pop in my head, and I went down the YouTube rabbit hole. I'm sure everybody has, and I stumbled across Peter McKinnon's bucket shot video, and I was like, well, that's a very good idea. Thanks, Pete. And I'm gonna expand on that, and maybe just to start, make a 10 location bucket shot list and try to execute that this year. Maybe next year, increase that to 20 and keep going and keep going. So start small first, maybe pick, like I said, 5 to 10 locations to execute this summer, maybe, and then pick another 5 to 10 locations that you want to execute in winter. So that's going to put you between the 10 to 20 photo mark of shots that you want to take, that you've always wanted to take, you just haven't taken it yet. So I guess this is kind of a food for thought video and a challenge to you to start taking those photos that you've always wanted to take. Yeah, kind of got philosophical there. All right. Did you like this video? I think it's one of my better ones. Got some drone footage in there. It's good. Yeah. So if you liked it, if you got anything from this video, make sure you hop down there, hit that subscribe button. And also while you're down there, maybe hit that share, like, and bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Every Monday. Every Monday. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. So I'm gonna leave you with that. Do your homework. Maybe grab 5 to 10 shots that you want to take, or that you've always wanted to take for the summer. Do another list in the winter and see what you come up with. All right, I'm gonna leave it at that, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.